Hi friends, this is Barbara and I'm back for another Crock-Pot meal. Today we're cooking Crock-Pot buffalo chicken macaroni and cheese. Okay, so first we're going to start off with 2 chicken breasts. Okay, and then from there we are going to do 2 tablespoons of ranch seasoning. 2 tablespoons of ranch seasoning. And here we go. I am also going to throw in some onion powder because I freaking love onions. Okay, then we are going to put garlic powder. Yes, a tablespoon. Let's put a little bit back. I put tiny bit back because I really did a heaping spoon. Okay, and then from there, I'm going to show you. One cup of buffalo wing, 1 cup of ranch dressing. That other stuff was ranch seasoning, and now this is ranch dressing. 1 cup of each. Okay, scoop out as much as you can. We're going to then turn our crock pot on to high. And that is going to go for 2 to 3 hours, okay? 2 to 3 hours. Okay, make sure you get all that seasoning mixed up, okay? Because see, look at that. I don't know if you can tell. We got that powder coating on there. I just want to make sure that it's everywhere. All right, there we go. So 2 to 3 hours, and then I'm going to come back, and then what we're going to do, there's a couple more steps. What we're going to do then is shred the chicken. You can shred your chicken. Excuse me, I dodged out for a minute. You can shred your chicken in one of these little shredder doohickeys. I'm going to start leaving the links below for the things that I use in the kitchen. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do that today, but look forward to that later. We're going to shred that chicken, and then we're going to add some more stuff, okay? So 2 to 3 hours, depending on your crock pot. We'll be right back. That's 2 to 3 hours again on high. Okay, friends, the next thing we're going to do is take out our chicken, and we're going to shred it, okay? So shred those 2 chicken breasts up. Stir that around. Then we're going to put in some 8-ounce cream cheese, okay? Cube it up. Drop that in there. Stir it up. Okay, and then we need a cup of cheddar cheese and a cup of Monterey Jack, but I have cheddar Jack, so here I go. I'm going to put the whole bag in there. That is 2 cups. Give it a stir. This smells amazing. Okay. Then, what we're going to do, we are going to pop the lid back on. Okay, lid is on, and we're going to let that go for, oops, Jesus. We're going to let that go for 30 minutes. And during the 30 minutes while you are melting your cheese and everything is marrying inside, you're going to want to boil some medium shell noodles, 1 pound. Okay? Boil those noodles. I'll be right back. Okay, friends, after your 30 minutes of melting the cheese, stir it. Then, here's where you're going to put your noodles in. You're going to stir it. You're going to blend all that in. So, do you like buffalo wings? I'm just curious. And I'm saying this because if you do, I think you're really going to like this. Stir it up really good. And then that is what it's looking like. God, I feel like it's a little dark in here. I'm going to taste it for you, okay? And get some chicken. Oh, God. This is really good. I really, really think you're going to like this one, especially if you like chicken wings. I really like this. Okay, that's delicious. Okay, friends. Let me know if you like chicken wings. Comment below. And if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to help out my channel. And keep on cooking. I love you guys.